Using Printify with Amazon for dropshipping is pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. To begin, you will need to visit Printify.com website. Once you get into its site, you will get to know that you can create and sell custom products. It will provide 100% free to use 900 plus high quality products and the largest global print network. If you haven't already, sign up for an account. Or if you already have an account, simply log in. Otherwise, you can start its free trial from here. So choose to sign up and it will ask you to enter your email address and password. Take the checkbox and click the sign up button. After logging in, you will be asked a few questions like what describes you best. You can choose I represent a nonprofit organization, I'm a social media influencer, I have my own e-commerce store, I represent a company, and others. After that, select what is your main objective from the following options. And let's select what brings you to Printify. Now choose your current monthly sales from here. And just like that, you can select different options from here. To better understand your business's nature, objectives, and how Printify can assist you. Once you've completed this step, you will land on your Printify dashboard. Your dashboard provides access to various sections, including the product catalog, where you can browse sample products like men's clothing, accessories, and more. Additionally, you can explore the pricing details of Printify Premium, which offers various features for different subscription plans. Then, you can see the price of plans after conversion of currency. Now click on USD button from the top right corner to see your currency. You will need to upload your custom designs to print on these products. You can also view your existing products, track orders, and manage your settings. Now, let's focus on how to create a sample product. You can choose a product category, like men's clothing, and, for example, select a t-shirt. You can customize the t-shirt by choosing the color and size from various suppliers, each with its ratings, available colors, sizes, and average production times. Once you've decided on a supplier, click on Start Designing. You will have the option to design the front and back of the t-shirt. Use the provided space to upload your design. You can import a design from your device, use an AI image generator, or add text. From AI image generator, choose the style of your image, and after selecting the image, enter the prompt for it. Once you pass the command and select the style, click to generate an image from here and place it anywhere on your t-shirt. You can adjust the size of the image and change its position, width, height, and everything else. After designing your product, you can preview how it will look on the t-shirt. This allows you to see the front, back, and how it appears on a person. Once you're satisfied, save the product. You can customize details like dimensions and color options before finalizing the product. When you're ready, click Preview to see how it will appear on a t-shirt. After that, click to save the product and then select 8 of 8 pricing. Also, tick the checkbox of Add Size Table to the description. Once you're done with everything, click to save it as a draft. Next, you will want to create your Amazon seller account. If you don't have one, go to Amazon and search for Amazon seller to create a new account. If you already have an Amazon seller account, simply log in. Once your Amazon seller account is set up and running, you can list your Printify products on Amazon. When a customer places an order on Amazon, Printify will handle the printing and shipping processes, ensuring that each item is produced on demand and sent directly to the customer's address. You can monitor the shipping and delivery status, manage customer reviews,